Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Here, let's unbox one CAT 374 3-section arm demolition excavator from BMG. Let's see. So after take out, already put the handrail, assemble this light, only one screw, and top cover we lift up, hydraulic oil we fill up from here, now put in air vent plug. So oil tank we fill up. After that, actually now this two plug is not in use, it's a spare for return oil, but return oil now it's at the bottom, now cannot see it rear side return oil. So oil level, we have to estimate no oil level gauge, so it's around maybe 80-90 minimum liter after fill up. Running it, air pushing out to the oil tank, air vent, then fill up maybe 10 or 20 minimum liter, a little bit more. So after that, so here that's the original battery, 3S XT60 connection. Connect it, we put the cover, leave it, we can see inside. So radio first on, then power it on. Now we have the operation at mix control. So here we have the power switch and all the valve, steel valve servo here. That's 12 kg servo and oil filter here. The pressure valve, it is on the oil tank. So oil tank, pressure valve, motor, they are combined one unit. Pressure gauge. So start the pump, let's see. Pump start, now it's around 3 MPa for working pressure. Start again, let you see, 3 MPa. So the oil pressure adjusting from here, screw out, release a little pressure, screw in, pressure increase. So maximum 3.5 MPa, that's enough. So side cover we can open, that's oil tank and the motor, brushless one. So big size, enough power supply to the oil system. And here, this cover can open, we will see. There, that's the screwdriver for lifting up the cabin. Cabin door open, inside have a screen. Now it's showing battery voltage and pump temperature 74, that's too high, not so accurate for the temperature. It's only a little warm after I running test it. Cover it back. So remove bottom 3 big screws. We can remove rear side count block. So this one, all things in metal. And here, 6-channel valve, servo on top, all these connections, oil hose from bottom go to the arm connection. So here that's the speaker, so speaker towards bottom, speaker is here. Also can see from here the filter, return, go to the oil tank. That's the temperature sensor. Sensor is not so accurate actually now. So we will put it back. So all these servo wires, we can see it's leading to the front right side cover. So all the receiver connections in this box. Cover it back. So this electronics box cover from bottom right side here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw. Take out. The cover we removed. Also this one with one light connected. Let's see. So receiver number 1 on top of here. The EIC box, so 9 channel used, 1 to 9. Second receiver under here, so it's used 5 channel. So 1 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15 channel used. So here that's the JD sound system with a volume switch here. So volume now is almost maximum, it's a big one. Also, if you want to adjust the volume, only these 2 screws take out. These 2 screws, you can lift up this cover, adjusting the volume. So under this cover, there is the brushless rotation motor. So gearbox on here, big steel gears on the platform, and all this oil with this middle block, then leading to copper pipe painted silver, then hose again, then copper pipe, hose again to all the cylinder and the spare. This one, you see now it's connected to one nozzle, so it's open. Actually, this is decoration, yeah? This one no have oil. It's only stopped from here. So only two spare oil channel available for the grab. And the quick connection is manual. So from the cylinder, we can see steel cylinder and with black painting, metal copper tube, also on the cylinder copper tube. At the bottom here, let's see only one copper tube, yeah, but bottom have this metal block leading the oil to the two cylinder. So two cylinder for the big boom, hose separated two channel. Actually, it's one channel from valve separate from here to two cylinder with a copper pipe and to the cylinder. And for the cabin, we will see all the outside frame door, they all CNC alloy. Top, this one is steel fence. Inside decorations, they are 3D printed plastic. And this top cover, 3D printed plastic. For others, all CNC metal. Arm, rear side counterweight, the door, the bottom plate, and the arm connections, side door, also the cover, they all all CNC alloy. So only cabin decoration, top cover, they are plastic, others all metal. Side plate, they are steel welding. This cover, they also CNC alloy. The handrails, they are steel one. You can hear it. Cabin, down and elevation up, stop, and sound. Light. Circulating. Keep it on. So now it's operating with mixed control for the arm. Middle arm up. Rotation sound. All the way up and doing the demolition operation. That's the height. And for the bucket, it is manual quick connection. Okay, turn around so you can see. Lift up from front, unlock it, changing the ripper, align, unlock, lock it. Let's try with the hydraulic grab. Lock it and rotation left and right, that's one channel. Push in. These two are for the rotation. Another channel. Lock. Clean the oil remaining from the connection. So the oil hose, be careful, must be free, not to be stuck inside. Otherwise, when rotation, it will be bented. So keep free at the left and the right side. Operation. Opening. Close. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly open. rotation. Try to grab something. For changing back, so when you're changing, prepare one tissue, yeah, because it have remaining oil in the hose connection. After remove the hose, the quick connection self-lock. And changing back to demolition bucket. So for the rotation, better connection to the forward, because this one not moving, to forward. And for the closing, better to backward connection, because this one is turning. Keep the hose at outside position, lock tight. So let's see with the power for this plier if can grab and broken anything. Close it, open, that's the maximum open angle. This wood, see the power. Check out. See again, another angle. With the bottle. It's already maximum. Thank you for watching this beautiful demolition excavator with grab and plier. So very powerful. You see the wood already, all deformation of the wood. And this one, you can grab something to move it away, maybe from the ceiling, from the wall, some wires you can pull in out of the rocks. And with this one also you can grab more big stuff. So you first use the bucket and the ripper to broken the rock and the wires. Then you can pull it out with the plier. Enjoy it, bring it, have fun. See you.